What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JB coming to y'all with another how-to. This is the 2008 Toyota Highlander, and I'm going to show you how to take that radio out. First thing we want to do using our panel removal tool is come up here by the vent, and we want to pop that thing out. Now, this one right here was really tight, so I actually used my little flat edge right here. I got in and I was able to pop it out. Only reason I was using that is because this dash is really hard. If it was soft to where it was going to dent it, I would not have used that piece. But once I got that little piece popped out, plastic panel removal tools the whole way, and we're going to take that out. Once we take that out, we see that we have two 10 mils at the top. Now we already know that there's two 10 mils at the bottom, so next thing we want to do is drop the glove box, come here behind this panel and pop that. Once that's popped, we can use our hands now and come over here. It's gonna go all the way. Maybe I gotta drop that boy real quick. And we see it coming off right there. Sorry y'all, I had to stop and use two hands, but I was using all those clips, popping all those clips, and that would take this bottom piece off. Now you can just sit that over to the side if you want. The AC is only held in by clips as well. We can put that on that side as well, and boom, there go our other two 10 mils. So let's go ahead and take our drill and take out those 10 mils. Oh, I'm rhyming. And once we have that out, boom. Now, all I gotta do is take this out, take these harnesses out. Yeah, so I actually decided to show y'all exactly how to do this, just a little, because this one's a little bit more in depth. Well, but, I mean, it's still easy. Only thing you have to do is take off the factory brackets. So we're gonna take these screws out real quick, get them off of the factory radio. I've already done the other side. Slide that out like that. Alright, so I got this part taken off. The Hasselite, I went on ahead and just popped it out. They have these little push pins, so you literally just push it out of that one and you push it into your dash kit. One hand, baby. Boom. Looks like factory. Then what we're going to do is take our radio, and we're going to put this over our radio right where it fits. I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys, so bear with me. But either way, we're going to mount this on our radio, drill the screw the holes that came with the radio into here, and then it's going to fit on this. So give me a second to drill it because it's hard to do this with one hand. All right, so you see these little T's and N's right here. This stands for Toyota and that stands for Nissan. We're taking this out of a Toyota, so now they do have multiple. So there's a T up here and there's also a T back here, and I just found the ones that lined up with my radio. 3 holes fit the radio. I only needed 2 because it only came with 4 screws, so tighten those down. This will go back in the factory location, and then when it does, this dash will sit perfectly like that. All right, y'all, there it is. Now this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. Now I know what you're thinking. I went over how to actually put the radio together, but I didn't go over the wiring. Well, I actually have a video that I made a long time ago that shows you exactly how to wire up a radio. And the reason I did that is because in order to make these radio removal videos that I make short and sweet, I didn't want to go over exactly how to wire up the radio because it's the exact same thing every time. So if you guys want, you can hit that card over there in the corner and it'll show you how to wire up the radio. I'll go over what each wire actually means and what they go to and all that good stuff. But other than that, all the links to these projects, these products will be in the description. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Until the next time, this is JP signing out, baby. I'll see y'all at the next call.